Hello, my dear friends. A very good afternoon to each and everyone. So today we are here to share a very special story of one of our students from Jammu Kashmir. So today's story belongs to Umar Ahmed Bhatt, who is a regular student of our offline program as well as along with the online program. So he was preparing with us. In that series, he qualified the PhD entrance of Central University of Rajasthan with rank 1 in the Department of Environmental Sciences. Subsequently, he was preparing good with research proposal and interview for the same, and he secured rank 1 in the final round of selection of PhD program under the Department of Environmental Sciences at Central University of Rajasthan. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Umar Ahmed Bhatt and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF program for June 2024 as well as December 2024 in offline, online, and correspondence with video program mode. Institute also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Sciences and Engineering for year 2025. Institute also offer comprehensive program for CUET PG for Life Sciences and Environmental Sciences. Those students who are targeting Masters or PhD program in US or Europe can also reach us. Institute also offers some of the skill and industry oriented program such as GIS and remote sensing along with data analytics and pure data analytics in life sciences and environmental sciences. So those who are interested, they can learn that, which will be very useful for the industrial as well as research aspect. So once again, we would like to congratulate Umar Ahmed Bhatt for securing rank 1 in the PhD position at Central University of Rajasthan under the Department of Environmental Sciences. Thank you.